Hi LBB, this is Adi.
This is Smriti and this is Isha. Welcome to our girls' apartment.
And our home is a little showcase of what it is all about: art, love, and stories. And as we walk through, you'll see that our space is deeply rooted, has a sense of warmth, and will make you feel truly Indian through all the artworks which we have. I'm a poet, painter, and consultant by profession. I'm the founder of Already Walready. So, as you walk through the spaces, you'll see a lot of greenery, plants, hand embroidered coasters, artworks, candles, half read books, and obviously fresh flowers. How a typical girl's apartment would look like. Coming to the first space, here we have a painting of Ganesha. I have named this painting Visarjan because this is my take on Ganpati Visarjan, which feels all festive, vibrant, colorful, just like how the festival is. Apart from that, we also have a lot of flowers and plants over here. We also have a box which we use for our everyday essentials like putting in keys and a lot of other items. So this is basically an interpretation, like as we enter and then we see the space, that's how lively we feel as soon as we see this painting over here. So this is our living space. This is truly where the heart of our home is. If you look around, you'll see that we have done this space with a lot of earthy and wooden tones, which have been softened with the touch of greenery with all the plants which we have here. We also have a lot of hand painted coasters and embroidered frames, which I've done all by myself. We always have a fresh issue of magazine lying around, a halfway read book. So this is basically where we enjoy all our leisure time after office time. So this space really lets us be just who we are and enjoy our me time. So talking about this space, this is the wall which all of us have done together. So if we talk about this wall, like what is the significance of it, this truly channelizes something that connects all of us together, which is a blend of modern and classical India. This showcases our interest as to, if you see the pictures, here we have some photographs from modern India. Then as we come towards the right, we see pictures from classical India. So that is really where our interest lies and something we enjoy over a cup of coffee. So talking about this space, I feel this is the most feminine corner of our house, and we have a painting of Ma Durga here. I've named this painting Ma because Ma brings the divine energy into our homes and she gives us the strength and power to overcome all the difficulties which we face in our day-to-day lives.
So when I designed this room, the concept was very clear: clarity. Everything in this room has a purpose. Nothing is random. The colors are soft, the layout is clean, and the whole room feels like a vibe that resonates with a reset button after a long chaotic day. So this space keeps me grounded, a bit controlled, and gives me a time after a long chaotic day to think and plan accordingly to move forward. So this is an organizer I thrifted when I shifted here. The USP of this organizer is this beautiful Madhubani painting crafted by Sadi. This is named as Ekatvam. So this painting, when you look at it, it is a union of Shiv and Shakti, a combination of masculine strength and feminine grace, where she has used different contrasting colors to show the divine unity. So another painting in my room, known as Avarniya, is situated right above my headboard. This painting symbolizes power and strength, which is designed with a bunch of elephants adorned with flowers, which is serving as a testament to the natural world, to the dominant natural world that we live in. So this is a Ferrari poster that I have placed right next to where I sleep. This is an aspirational dream which someday I'll be able to achieve, hopefully. So the whole reason that I fell in love with this room was this window, which almost captures one side of the wall. Sitting here, you can enjoy be it sunny, winter, cloudy, rainy, anything with just a cup of coffee.
So this is the passage that connects our home together, and here we have a set of 4 Madhubani paintings which have been made using the Kachni and Bharni techniques of this art form. So this is our dining area where we have our daily conversations over some delicious meals, and that is why we have placed this painting here. So this is an Alpine art, which is a traditional folk art inspired from the Uttarakhand region of India, which is made using rice flour, similar to how we make rangolis in Diwali. So it is kind of considered very auspicious, and this very much goes with the vibe of our house. This personally is my interpretation of one of my poems, where I talk about how often in our lives we are stuck in the same loops and repetitive patterns, and that is what I'm trying to showcase here over daily conversations. So coming to this space, this is my cocoon of comfort, where I spend most of my time painting and bringing ideas to life. Now, if we come here we have an dome-shaped mirror where we have plants and fresh flowers, which brings a sense of freshness every day I wake up. So now coming to this side, my side table, which is I feel the most important element of this room, always has a poetry book and some fresh flowers on it. Then coming to this wall, there are ample Madhubani paintings. So here, as you can see, there are 5 Madhubani paintings. So all of these have been made by me. If I talk about what do they signify, this one's Padmavanam, it's a forest of lotus. Then we have Ardhanarishwar, we have Upasna, we have Jharoka, which is inspired from a Kashmiri art form, and then we have Avarniya. So all of these paintings truly represent who I am as a person. Now, if we come here, this is where I spend most of my time, whether it is painting, writing poems, or work, obviously. So yeah, as you can see, this is another painting of mine, and this is the painting station. So yeah, that's about my room.
This is my sweet abode. The whole room is transpired by the concept of greenery that makes the place very alive. I always wanted a space that looks very fresh the moment you enter. The plants, the soft lighting, and the natural textures. One of the most important highlight of the room is the painting that is painted by my friend Sadi. If you see, the painting has a royal richness, the mirror work and the mirror style framing, which adds a kind of richness to the whole room, and it balances the modern art with the all other factors. So yeah, this is my cozy greener escape.
So this is the view we wake up to every morning, which is such a retreat to our eyes. We have birds chirping, winds flowing, and it's just a feeling I cannot really express in words.
Thank you for visiting. Hope you liked our space.
If you liked our paintings, you can reach out to us at already on Instagram.
And for more such videos, do check out lbb.in.